How's it going, everybody? So, it's been a little while since I've done something older on the channel. Actually, I had to look this up. It's been 2 years. I broke some Upper Deck SP collection and some 2004 SPX. I'm opening some 2006 Topps Co-Signers Baseball, and you can get some nice stuff here, apparently. Some Mariano Rivera, Barry Bonds, Alex Rodriguez. There's a whole bunch. There's where is it? 2 autographs per box and 1 duel in every box. So that is. Let's zoom out. All right. Let's see how we do. Okay, and for those of you that do not know, as I'm opening this, today's my birthday, October 10th. So let's see how it goes. The box is a little bit like bent in a little bit, but everything should be fine. Yeah, it's just bent in slightly. The top cards, the packs, they're slightly bent in a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. That's what the pack looks like. Barry Bonds and Alex Rodriguez. Let's see if I'll open. Okay, that was easy. Okay, we got Jose Reyes on the back. These are... I don't think they're... Maybe the top card's slightly, like, caved in. I don't know. We got Miguel Tejada. Is that Moises Alou? Yeah, Moises Alou. We got Rich Harden. I don't know what's numbered, what's not numbered. Is this numbered, or is this just kind of like a museum where you have these parallels that aren't numbered? So we got A-Rod. Okay, it is numbered at a 115. Nice for the Yankees PC. Alex Rodriguez, Carlos Beltran, and Jose Reyes. So these base cards, I don't know. I think they're all right. They're fine, I think. I don't know. I think I kind of like them. I don't think I would normally like them, but I don't know. I think they're pretty solid. Like headshots, I more prefer like an action shot, but I think it's fine. I think Upper Deck does a good enough job with their card designs that it works. What do we have? I think there's a hit there. Okay, we got Nolan Ryan. We got, is that Adrian Beltre? Yep. Albert Pujols. We got Paul LaDuca. Sean Green on the D-backs. And let's think we got something. What is this? I don't know which way. It's a rookie, though. Who is that? Willie? Who is this? No, who is this? Willie? Irie? Never heard of him. I was like, is that Joe Nathan? No, that's not Joe Nathan. Who the hell is this? Who is this? God, I don't even know who that is, man. Well, hopefully that's the only bad hit. What the heck was that? I don't even know who he is. Must have been somebody who just didn't pan out, I guess. All right, Ryan Howard. Mark Teixeira. Scott Rowland. That Jeff Jenkins? Or no, that's Troy. Oh, it's Lyle Overbay, Troy Gloss. Okay, it's like a. Oh, okay. So this was a duel also. This is Mickey Mantle, A-Rod. Gotcha. Okay. So this is Lyle Overbay. I was like, that's somebody else. Gotcha. All right. So now I see. And this one's numbered to 150. Okay. Oh, we got Tim Hudson and AJ Burnett. Sorry, I didn't even pick up on that on the first one. On that, it was two people on those parallels. All right, we got Torrey Hunter. Was that Nick Johnson? Yeah, Nick Johnson. Roger Clemens. We've got something. Jason Bay. Hang on. Don't want to see what that is. Jake Peavy. What do we have here? What is this? Ichiro? It's out of 50. Nice. Ichiro out of 50. But it's Kenji Jojima and Ichiro. All right, nice. I'll take that. That's better than the hit we got. The A-Rod's better than the hit we got. I guess it's like a silver parallel. Got Robinson Cano. Kerry Wood. Sorry, I'm not going as fast as I normally would, but I gotta enjoy this old stuff. David Wright. Houston Street, Rich Harden. Hang on. And we got Carlos Lee and Chris Carpenter. This one's at a 125. The numbering doesn't make sense. This is, yeah, Rich Harden, Houston Street. I don't understand the numbering, why all of them are different numbered. But is that like an upper deck thing? Why won't this open? Huh. Can I try the other side? There we go. Gary Sheffield on the Yankees. That's good. I think we got something there. Don't know what. Mariano Rivera. Nice. Oh, Pico. We got Paul Konerko. What is that? Hang on. Aubrey Huff. Damn. Is that New York? Dude, come on. Hang on. Where is... There's a card on the back. Hold up. Got David Ortiz. Get him out of here. Did I flip it the wrong way? I think I did. That's the front of the card, right? I closed my eyes. I want Rivera to reveal it. Oh, no. 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 Why, Robinson Cano? Why? No. Not Cano. Dang it. I mean, it's a better auto than Will, but... Alright. We still got a duel. We're still holding out hope. God, I saw New York and I was like, dude, what if? What if it's like Rivera? Nope. Posada. Like, it could have been anybody. There we go. We got Derek Jeter. Is that Maglio? Yeah, Maglio Ordonez. Troy Gloss. We got Melvin Mora and Javi Lopez. We'll see what that's number 2. And we got Zach Duke and Pedro Martinez. So let's see. This is number to 125. Okay. At least we're getting a lot of numbered stuff. God. Oh my God. Why? Hold up. Alright. Come on. Let's see. Jeff Kent on the Dodgers. Randy Johnson. Is that Jeff Francoeur? What? What we got here? Bartolo Colonna and Francisco Rodriguez. Mark Burley and Vernon Wells. So this is numbered at a 150. We still have 4 packs. Jeez. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these cards, man. This is going to be way longer than I wanted it to, but... Oh, man, Jason Giambi? Wow. Is that Juan Pierre on the Cubs? Barry Bonds? What is this? Hold the phone. Dontrelle Willis. Roy Oswalt. Is that a Braves? Braves? Who? Chuck James and Anthony LaRue. What? Who are these guys? Who? Man, that was a bummer. What the hell? We got a Yankee in here. God damn it. I can't go out like this, dude. Oh, what is that? David Wright. What is that? Hold up. Ken Griffey. Victor Martinez. Oh, it's only at a 75. But David Wright. It's David Wright and Carlos Delgado. I mean, damn it. I don't know. Should I buy another one of these? I'm kind of tempted to buy another one of these now. I can't go out like that, man. Got Rafael Furcal, Ichiro, Vlad Guerrero, Orlando Hernandez, and Sean Green when they were on the Diamondbacks. I forgot he was on the Diamondbacks. So there's that at 150. Lance Berkman and Manny Ramirez. God. Who is this? Oh, it's Mickey Mantle. Gotcha. Mickey Mantle. Brian Roberts. McGill. What is that? Billy Wagner on the Mets. Chipper Jones. Is this another hit? No. Okay. It's just thicker. Josh Beckett and Kurt Schilling out of 100. Okay. So that was a long one. I kind of do want to open it again. So these are the parallels. They're numbered to like random stuff. Some nice ones. The hits. Willie, Erie, Iyer. Don't know what he did. The duel, Chuck James and Anthony LaRue, and Robinson Cano. Would have been good back then. But now, nah. So, I kind of want to get another one. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So, stay tuned. But yeah, this was pretty decent. Getting a lot of parallels. Nice Upper Deck product, but just wasn't the best box. Alright, stay tuned for more boxes coming up.